Welcome back. Imagine a world where Ferrari's legendary racing pedigree, unmatched design language, and Italian luxury collide with the freedom of the open road. Now stop imagining, because Ferrari just made it real. This isn't a concept. This isn't a fan-made render. This is the 2026 Ferrari Motorhome, an elite statement of travel, technology, and power, built for those who don't just take the road, they own it. The moment Ferrari announced its entry into the luxury RV world, the automotive world paused. No one expected a company so rooted in track performance and elite sports cars to take such a bold leap. But this, my friends, is not your average motorhome. This is a revolution on wheels. At first glance, it looks like something out of a futuristic sci-fi movie. Matte black exterior, sleek as a stealth fighter jet, with golden prancing horse emblems announcing its DNA to the world. It's not just about luxury, it's about dominance. Designed with wind-cutting aerodynamics and housing a road-hugging Ferrari sports car embedded right into the front end, this motorhome doesn't just park, it arrives. Let's talk power. This isn't your granddad's RV that struggles up a hill. Underneath that menacing shell is a powertrain worthy of Ferrari's badge. Powered by a custom-tuned V12 hybrid engine with over 1,100 horsepower, the 2026 Ferrari Motorhome roars with authority. Built on a specialized chassis co-developed with elite Formula One engineers, it delivers top-tier torque and surprising agility. And that's not all, the sports car mounted at the front. It's fully functional. Once you arrive at your destination, the integrated vehicle detaches, ready to give you the Ferrari driving experience you crave, 0 to 60 in under 3 seconds, right from the driveway of your moving mansion. The exterior alone is worth an entire episode. Crafted from ultra-lightweight carbon fiber and aluminum alloy, the body has retractable panels, intelligent lighting systems, and a rooftop terrace that automatically deploys with the press of a button. Imagine sipping espresso on a private balcony while your motorhome glows like a luxury spaceship beneath you. Every detail is sculpted, polished, and meticulously crafted to echo Ferrari's obsession with perfection. Now, let's walk inside. Brace yourself, because the interior is nothing short of a luxury penthouse on wheels. Italian leather, carbon fiber trim, and gold accents blend seamlessly with a minimalist design. It's like stepping into a Milan fashion showroom. The lounge features a full-sized L-shaped sofa, surround sound speakers tuned by Ferrari's audio engineers, and a retractable OLED smart TV with 8K resolution. Lighting is ambient, touch-sensitive, and changes tone depending on the mood you set, from romantic dinner under the stars to full-blown entertainment mode for movie nights. Ferrari's designers didn't stop at good looks, they infused the interior with technology that borders on magical. There's a voice-activated digital assistant built specifically for this vehicle. Climate zones adjust automatically to your preferences. Smart glass windows transition from clear to opaque at your command, offering total privacy or panoramic views. The central console features a control pad where you can manage everything: lighting, security, entertainment, temperature, and even the mechanical functions of the integrated sports car. The kitchen, it's a culinary studio designed for gourmet performance. Full-size refrigerator, induction cooktop, self-cleaning oven, and even a Ferrari-designed espresso bar that pulls the perfect shot, every time. Cabinets open silently with magnetic push latches. Countertops are marble-textured, scratch-proof, and heat-resistant. There's even a built-in wine cooler set to optimal conditions for your fine Italian reds and whites. You don't just camp, you dine in Michelin star style. Moving to the master suite, Ferrari doesn't compromise. You're greeted with a king-sized bed floating above an underlit platform. The mattress adjusts firmness based on your sleep data and supports zone temperature control. Overhead is a retractable skylight for stargazing. There are no clunky doors or knobs, just smooth sliding panels that reveal walk-in wardrobes, a personal vanity station, and hidden storage behind elegant paneling. And yes, the bathroom is just as breathtaking. Full walk-in shower with rainfall feature, antimicrobial flooring, a smart mirror that gives you weather updates and news headlines, and yes, a gold-trimmed toilet seat with built-in bidet and fragrance options. This isn't just travel, this is 5-star hotel luxury in motion. The technology continues behind the scenes. Ferrari's RV platform comes with adaptive terrain response, self-leveling air suspension, and satellite-linked navigation with real-time weather, altitude, and route optimization. Solar panels line the roof to keep the energy flowing, and a built-in battery backup system ensures you never lose power. This machine can go fully off-grid for days, yet you'd never know you left civilization. There's even a built-in drone bay on the rear side, allowing you to launch and land a companion camera drone to capture epic road footage automatically while you drive. Security is a priority too. Biometric entry, motion-sensing exterior cameras, and a facial recognition system make sure only authorized people have access. And in case you're wondering, yes, there's a garage space at the rear that can hold another vehicle or recreational equipment like jet skis, motorbikes, or electric bikes, all integrated into the smart system. What about the connectivity? Ferrari thought of that too. With its dual satellite antenna system and 5G extender, you have ultra-fast internet in even the most remote places. Whether you're working remotely, streaming 8K movies, or holding video meetings on the road, it's all seamless. There's even a built-in workstation with dual-screen setup, noise-canceling booth, and wireless charging zones throughout the coach. This isn't just a vehicle, it's a mobile lifestyle center for the elite. Ferrari is targeting high-end clients, Formula One fans, celebrities, and wealthy adventurers who want everything in one package: speed, style, privacy, and power. And what about the price? Prepare yourself, it's as exclusive as you'd expect. Starting at $3.5 million, with custom configurations pushing it closer to $5 million. But Ferrari says it's not just a vehicle. It's a Ferrari home, a Ferrari garage, a Ferrari showroom, and a Ferrari experience everywhere you go. Orders are already being taken for 2026, and word on the street is that the first batch has been snapped up by collectors and motorsport legends. And Ferrari isn't stopping here. Rumors suggest more mobility solutions are in the works. A limited edition yacht, a luxury trailer pod, and even a small electric adventure camper for urban explorers. The brand isn't just about cars anymore, it's about commanding lifestyle in motion. And here's the final twist. Ferrari plans to offer exclusive RV-only tracks, yes, private routes and racetracks for Ferrari Motorhome owners. Imagine rolling your house to a Ferrari-owned property, where only owners of this luxury motorhome can access exclusive services, VIP lounges, and tailored driving experiences. It's not a fantasy, it's happening. This move by Ferrari has officially blurred the lines between supercar performance and luxury nomadic living. It challenges the idea that camping has to be modest or rugged. This is camping reimagined, bold, powerful, and outrageously luxurious. And now the real question, who's it for? This isn't for the average road tripper or someone looking to save on hotels. This is for the person who demands the best, everywhere, without compromise. Someone who refuses to be ordinary, who wants to carry Ferrari elegance not just in their garage, but in their lifestyle, on highways, through mountains, across borders. This is for the person who wants to sleep on silk while parked in the Mojave Desert, stream Formula One live while cooking fresh truffle pasta, or launch a drone for cinematic views of the Alps, all from their Ferrari house on wheels. So, what do you think? Is this the future of travel? Has Ferrari started a new era for high-performance motorhomes? Or is this a one-of-a-kind masterpiece for the elite few? Either way, it's impossible to ignore. The 2026 Ferrari Motorhome isn't just about mobility, it's about motion with meaning. Passion, precision, power. Let us know in the comments, would you take this $5 million beast on the road? What features shocked you the most? And if you had one destination to take the Ferrari Motorhome tomorrow, where would it be? Thank you for watching. Make sure to like this video if you love the futuristic innovation, comment below your dream motorhome feature, and subscribe to Car Flair for more jaw-dropping car tech, luxury RVs, and next-level vehicle reviews. The future of driving has arrived, and we're just getting started.